Okay, welcome back. This is the third video of 3 videos for section 6.6, the section on law of cosines. This will also be a fairly quick video. Here we're going to be looking at how to figure out the area of a triangle. For this semester, we've already looked at one formula. We looked at AB sine of theta. This one is using law of cosines, and it's a formula developed by a mathematician named Heron, so it's Heron's formula. I'm not going to go through the derivation of it, but it says the following. So the area of triangle ABC is given by A, the area, is equal to the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So A, B, and C are all the sides of a triangle. So before we were given 2 sides and an angle, and then we were able to use that formula. And at that point I told you, throughout the semester we're going to have 2 possible formulas to figure out the area of a triangle. One where you're given 2 sides and an angle. That was the previous formula. And then an equation where you have just 3 sides. And that's Heron's formula. Side A, side B, side C. So you don't have to go through figuring out all the other stuff. You just use these values. But we have this other value S. So S is defined as the following. It's 1/2, and don't forget that part, A plus B plus C. So you're going to add up all 3 sides, take half of that value, and that'll be your value for S. And then you'll just plug all those values into this equation, multiply them all together, take square root, that gives you the area of a triangle. So let's look at an example. If you're still writing, go ahead and pause. Otherwise, I'm going to erase this to do our example. Alright, so here's an example. We want to find the area of the following triangle. So find the area of a triangle with sides A equals 315 feet, B is equal to 280 feet, and C is equal to 125 feet. Okay, I'm asked to find the area. I'm given 3 sides. The only thing I want to worry about here is Heron's formula. First thing I need is S. So S is 1/2 the total of these 3 sides. So 315 plus 280 plus 125. If you add those 3 up, take half. These 3 here should equal 720. So half of 720 is 360. So the area of the triangle is the square root of 360, S, times S minus A, so 360 minus 315, times S minus B, 360 minus 280. And then S minus C, so 360 minus 125. So this gives you the area is equal to the square root of 360 times 45 times 80 times 235. And when you do this, you multiply all those together, take the square root. Your area is roughly 17,451.6 square feet. That's it. Don't make it, it's like that quote I gave you guys in the syllabus. The essence of math is to make complicated things simple, not simple things complicated. So if you're given 3 sides, all you need is Herons formula. Figure out S, plug them in the formula, plug them in your calculator, crunch the numbers, there's your answer. So that's the end of video 3 for 6-6. That concludes the videos for 6-6. We'll see you guys in chapter 7.